In 2026, AI-driven changes shook the workforce, impacting mental health and perceived future employability. But what if this isn't the end? By shifting your mindset to a free agent perspective, you can reclaim your narrative and see your exit as a strategic release. Your value isn't tied to corporate metrics. Embrace the idea that your worth extends beyond any single employer's evaluation. This foundational mindset empowers you to navigate future opportunities with confidence and clarity. Analyze your career through quantifiable impacts, not just job titles. Identify technical achievements that align with current market demands. This approach transforms raw data into a compelling story of resilience and strategic growth. Create a narrative that explains your career transition. Highlight high-leverage wins and how they meet today's tech needs. This story not only addresses the why behind your exit, but also showcases your adaptability. Optimize your digital presence to showcase expertise. Use personal branding to redefine your career narrative, turning terminated into consultative sabbatical. Build a portfolio that highlights mastery of new technologies and generative workflows. Leverage modern branding frameworks to signal authority. Curate a public portfolio that demonstrates active mastery of the latest tech stacks. This approach positions you as a leader in your field, ready for new challenges. Develop an outreach strategy targeting industry pain points. Turn your exit story into a demonstration of adaptability. Position yourself as a strategic asset, showcasing technical depth that makes you indispensable, not desperate. Now take action. Begin crafting your narrative today. By doing so, you'll transform challenges into opportunities, positioning yourself for success in a rapidly evolving market. Let's redefine your career path together. Find your next opportunity at blacktechjobs.com. Black Tech Jobs, where talent meets opportunity.